One of our members decided to gift his loved one on a Valentine's Day a special handmade paper bouquet. In a piece of colored paper, he folded a triangle from the top left corner, connecting it to the center right. He then folded the bottom part and cut it, leaving the triangle by unfolding it to create a perfect square. Then, he divided it into 4 equal parts on a piece of square, folded into 4, leaving a triangle. He then cut the corner into a semicircle to complete the shape of the flower. Unfold it and create a hole in the center to complete the flower. Repeat this step to all of the remaining squares. Once it is done, cut a piece of petal, increasing the number of petals being removed by every flower. Then, connect the petals together to create a 3D flower shape. Repeat this step to all of the flowers. Then, fold the sides to create the petal effect. Then for the stem part, repeat the step to create a square, then divide it into 4 equal parts as well. Then, roll out your paper diagonally to create a thin paper roll to represent the stem. Glue a piece of the petal to the stem and wrap it around the edge of the stem. Then, glue all the flower pieces together to complete the flower. For the details of the stem, get a piece of green square and divide it into smaller parts. Fold it in the center 3 times and cut it into a sepal shape and attach it into the bottom of the flower. This creates the complete flower. Repeat all of the steps to create a lot of paper flowers to create a paper bouquet. Who did he choose to send this gift? Our member chose to send this gift to his girlfriend on a Valentine's Day. Why did you choose this gift? Our member said, more than just a flower, it is a symbol of effort, and any gift that you can buy is a one-click gift. But this particular one took me hours to learn and hours to complete, and purple is her favorite color. How did you get started? Our member planned out the flower parts such as the squares to create a template for him to repeat the steps to create another set of flower. What solid figures did you use for your gift, and why? The solid figure that was used in the gift was a cone. The cone was meant to hold the flowers together to complete the flower bouquet, which makes it easier to give, especially it can hold a lot of flowers. Explain the relevance of your gift to the concepts you learned in Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. For the relevance of these gifts to what we have learned, we can connect this gift to the lesson total surface of the area using pyramids and cones. Did you get any help or support? Our member did not ask for help regarding the paper bouquet since it is an easy DIY craft that anyone can achieve by following the steps properly. To compute the total surface area of the cone, we use the total surface formula, which is pi r squared plus pi rl equals pi r quantity r plus l. Our cone had a radius of 6 centimeters, a 300 centimeter height, and a 300 centimeters slant height. To calculate the formula, substitute the given to the formula. This led us to pi r plus l equals to pi quantity 6 plus 300 is equals to 1836 pi, which is approximately equal to 5768.96 centimeters squared. As for the volume, we use the formula V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. Substitute the given, which will lead us to 11,309.73 centimeter cube or 3,600 pi centimeter cube.